Assalamu alaikum, my friends. These days I have watched many videos about street food, village food, traveling, adventure, and as I have been in Pakistan around 4 years, I also have many of my stories want to share and make some vlogs. So today is my first time to make vlog. I want to share how to make Pakistani tea, which is called chai. So let's get started. As we all know, tea originally comes from China. So Pakistani people call milk tea chai. Probably it's cha or chaye, which comes from the Chinese characters. The characteristics of Pakistani chai is they add a lot of spices when they make the tea, and it tastes very nice.
Fantastic.
Yes, fantastic. Okay, let's see what we have prepared today. These all are which I found in supermarket. Green cardamom, cloves, ginger powder, star anise, cinnamon, and this is black pepper. And this one is sorghum. This is sugar. And tea, we use black tea. Name.
Tipal Danadar.
Okay. And we use Nestle milk today. I should say, today we are not make tea. You see with these spices, if I put chicken or mutton inside, maybe we also can call it chai chicken, chai mutton, right?
Yes, right.
It must be delicious too.
Yes.
Okay, let's start to cook. Firstly, let's put in 1 cup of water and boil it. Here I should mention, every people have their own taste of tea, so there is no recipe measurement. I would like to advise you, except green cardamom, you can add more, because this is most important spices in the tea. But it's better add other spices by your own taste and don't too much. Then I will advise you to make some spices into powder, so the taste will be better. Green cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon we use small pieces. This is okay. These no need. Okay, it's ready. Let's add in the water. Add in other spices. Actually, many people only use green cardamom. Others are all optional one. And you also can add many other spices. Boil it 2 or 3 minutes. Now we can smell the spices. Let's add in milk now. Here we should set the fire to medium or high and boil the milk 2 or 3 minutes. We should be careful because milk will cook out of the pot very easily. If so, we should turn the fire to low. Then let's add in the black tea. I think 2 spoons is enough. Let it keep boil another 2 or 3 minutes. Keep stirring it. Just now I forgot to add in the ginger powder, so I will add with sugar together. A little bit is okay. Sugar you should add according to your taste. We should keep adjusting the fire, let it boil another while. Now the tea color looks good, and we can see they have one layer of, it's like cream. I think it's ready. Turn off fire. Now let's put the sieve on the teacup and we pour the chai tea in. Now the chai is ready to serve. Let's find someone to check the chai. Hello. Check the tea.
Thank you.
How is the taste?
Fantastic.
How is the taste? It's good? Okay. You also check, please.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
How is the taste?
Yeah, fantastic.
Why you always saying fantastic?
Because it's the style of Indian pilot Abhinandan. The fantastic word is very famous, you know.
Mhm.
It's fantastic.
What he said? He said fantastic.
Fantastic. Tea
But-
is fantastic.
Pakistani tea is fantastic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Check the tea, please.
Okay.
How is it?
Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, thank you.
Please, you also check. So, whether it's fantastic or not.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever taste.
Fantastic.
Fantastic, right?
Yes.
That's great.
Since the chai is cooked with many spices which have medical effects, so it's good for our health, such as refreshing when you feel tired, fighting cold and flu, improves digestion, and so on. Okay, hope my video will help you cook the chai. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.